The Rensa hemodialysis catheter is intended for short-term central vascular access for hemodialysis. The set contents includes double lumen catheter, 12 French facial dilator, 10 French facial dilator, J-tip guide wire with advancer, introducer needle, dust caps, lure slip syringe, scalpel blade, and sterile drape. Soft taper tip for smooth insertion and minimize trauma. Radio-opaque polyurethane catheter for enhanced visibility under X-ray. Large floppy side holes provides better flow. Double D lumen design for simultaneous two-way blood flow. Reduce clotting and infection risk. Clear indication of size and length. Indication of the priming volume. Rotating suturing wings ensure flexible positioning of the catheter. Clear extension tube for better visualization of blood flow and potential blockage. Procedure. Introduce the introducer needle into the vein. After getting a vein access, insert the guide wire through the needle. Remove the introducer needle carefully while keeping the guide wire in place. Advance the 10 French tissue dilator over the guide wire to dilate the fascia, followed by the 12 French facial dilator for further dilation. If required, make a small skin nick using a scalpel blade to facilitate dilator insertion. Insert the Rensa catheter over the guide wire. Remove the guide wire after the catheter placed. Secure the catheter by suturing through the suturing wings.